Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix photo disappearing issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on albums and click on this three dot icon and click on hide albums. After click on hide albums, so you will see unhide album and you will see your picture is show, so picture is not showing here, so you will see hide and unhide albums from here. After the process you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click scroll down and search gallery. From here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on storage and click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so if you want to fix this problem, so check your recycle bin. Click on gallery and click on menu and click on recycle bin. So you will check your picture is not showing here. So your picture is here. Click on select and click on restore. So that's how you can fix photo disappearing issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.